everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Carol, and in today's video we are going to be creating this cut crease look. It is a super glam looking look, but trust me, it is super simple to do. Very easy. Just two colors I've used for this eye makeup look. So if you want to know how to create this look, then please keep on watching. So basically I'm using majorly only two colors for this entire makeup look, and only two palettes, and both these palettes are from a brand called Forever 52. And yeah, I've been loving these palettes. Actually I got this in PR, and ever since I received it I am just in love with these palettes because they are so pigmented. So this is like the all matte eyeshadow palette, and I will try and put the link down in the description. It's got 10 matte colors in this, and the color we're going to use for today's look is this maroon right here. And the other palette I'm going to use today, again from Forever 52, it's called the Magnificent Eyeshadow Palette. This one's also got 10 shine colors, and this shimmer, trust me, is so shiny and so pigmented. Let me just show you a couple of swatches. So for example, this coppery color right here, it's super duper pigment, the blue, and it's extremely creamy, and then it becomes matte on the eyes, so it doesn't crease as well. So to begin with the eyes, I'm using a very light concealer as a base for my eyes. For the next step, since this is a cut crease look, I'm going to basically first start by cutting the crease. So I'm using a flat brush like this, and then I'm going to pick up the maroon color onto it, and right above the crease, so the crease is this part that goes in here, right above that is where I'm going to place this maroon in the shape of a semicircle basically, and I'm going to lift it up over here. So once you create the definition, you can then just go on blending it softly. If you feel like this brush is too flat to blend the rest of it, you can go back with a slightly fluffy brush like this and just blend those edges out. Just make sure to make it softer and softer as it goes up. But this part, right, this thing needs to be super crisp. So we are going to go in with another layer of concealer in a bit. But right now we're just going to focus on blending this maroon right here. I love this color among all the other colors actually in the palette because it gives that nice warmth to the eyes, which is perfect for Indian skin. And I love to use this color on all my brides as well. It just goes with every look actually. So basically this is the technique that we use for cut crease. You can do this with whatever colors you like, it's up to you. But I thought of doing maroon and actually white today. I'm visualizing it as a little bit of an angelic look, and let's see how it turns out. Yeah, so we're done with cutting the crease. Now we're just going to take a little bit concealer and make it sharper right here. And I'm going to use a flat brush like this. Pick up some concealer, and here you're going to cut this very sharp. We can go ahead and intensify this maroon a little bit more later. But before that, I'm going to go in with the second eyeshadow palette, which is the Magnificent Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to take this white here. I think it look really pretty with the maroon, so I'm going to pick up this white. You can use your finger itself and start placing it like that. Closer to the edges, we may have to use a slightly more precise brush. So because this eyeshadow is so creamy in texture, like if you touch it, you will realize it is so creamy. It just sticks on. It looks very foiled, very shiny, and I really mean it when I say I love this eyeshadow palette. Okay, now I'm going to use a flat brush to go closer to the edges of this. It actually works best with fingers is what I realized. It sticks better because of the warmth and the moisture on the finger. This product actually sticks on much better when you use your finger. So let's just stick to that. Now I want to intensify this maroon a little bit more, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up a little bit more maroon on the brush, the same way that you did, with a little more precision and carefulness. Okay, now picking up the same maroon, I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom lash line as well to maintain a balance between what's happening on the lid and underneath. So I just did the other eyes off camera and popped on my lashes, and here's the finished look. It is so easy, just 2 colors. Of course I had to use 2 different eyeshadow palettes because in this eyeshadow palette it doesn't have a mix of matte and shine, so I had to use both. But if you have a single eyeshadow that has matte and shine, you can pick up whichever matte color you like, whichever shine color you like, and create a cut crease look like this. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you like this look, and if you did, then please don't forget to tell that to me in the comments below, because you know, hashtag validation. But yeah, please let me know what other kinds of videos you'd like me to create. Until the next time, take care. Bye.